Hey guys, it's Jamie here, and we're here to do the last week of 2021 in the Happy Planner. I actually never set New Year's resolutions, but I'm doing it this year because next year, because 2021 for me was as flat as the Flat Earth Society, if not flatter. We're going to concentrate on getting through to this date. I know it's arbitrary, a day is nothing, but to do this week's planner, I actually went on Etsy and bought a digital download, which was on offer. It was under £2 and printed it all up on my own sticker paper. I did do a bit extra from my own app that I like to use to get some bigger stickers, because although it said it was designed for the classic, they seem quite small and not actually classic size to me. Therefore, I've done a few extras, like we have Big Ben, but we also have things like this, which we could actually, I've never ever changed the dates, but it might be quite good fun to do so. And then we have lots of images that are all to do with New Year, some women, bows. I'm not quite sure what bows have got to do with New Year, but we've got champagne glasses, that type of thing. Down here, I suppose, would be maybe the intentions or reflections. You can do one or two things in this corner. You can do intentions or reflections. Reflections on 2021 or intentions for 2022. It's actually going to be easier for me to possibly do this page than this side for once. I don't want to make the whole of this all about New Year with nothing else, but the balloons are quite nice down there, and then you could have a box going over it. Bring in the blue, bring in the pink. Well, we've got the pink already. That way with the light blue. I feel like I need to get some of these women on this side so that when we put them on this side, they're not going to look totally out of place. We have lots of these little bits of washi, which I think is quite nice. I might add that across there then. I still like the balloons, you know, but I do feel like I need to do something in the way of... Oh, that's quite nice. How about... we do a slight staggering like that. How about the pail? Trim that. I think a box here, and we need something here. I think because I'm feeling a little bit stuck with this side, it being quite bottom heavy and not sure what to do, I'm going to start working on this side. Going to pop this one down so that this goes slightly over it. I like the blue. I know it's not very blue dominant on this side. Can you have two sides very dissimilar? I wonder if Big Ben will peel up a bit. Definitely need the dark blue in here, so I think we're going to go with the book. We have to have the key. And then maybe put a box or two around that. I think that works. That feels better. So it's either that one or another. We have a pink clock. We'll decide between the clocks in a minute, or another one of those ones. Yeah, I think so, because then you've got two similar things going on. Now, do we want the paler clock? Now, I'm used to having boxes in this area, so it's going to be a bit unusual for me not to. It's something like that, which gives you something to write on. Do that design there. Yeah, that's actually probably the finishing touch, I think. Oh, apart from changing those dates. Oh, I've got a little bow that's pink. Don't know. That seems bigger than that. Don't know why. Yeah, I might try to take a bit off this one. Okay, now we've just got to try and get these down, cut it in line with the rest of it. Well, I think it says New Year. It's very pink and blue. Not really my colours, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's a celebratory week. It's not my favourite that I've ever done, but it has space to write a few things. It's got a coordinating theme, has a few slogans. Yeah, I'm okay with it. Well, let me know what you think in the comments below. What do you think of it? I'm only 50-50. Let me know whether you're 50-50 or slightly higher. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help other people on YouTube see it. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing. I don't just do happy planning. I do journaling, junk journaling, art journaling, ephemera making, all sorts of other stuff. And I will see you next time.